Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Shiba Inu, SHIB, from Uphold to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Why do this? Well, Bitrue often offers better trading options and lower fees, so transferring your SHIB could maximize your gains. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Bitrue. You'll need SHIB tokens in your Uphold wallet and the exact wallet address from Bitrue. Double-check that address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the SHIB token from your asset list. This should show your current balance. Next, click on the Withdraw or Send option for SHIB. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Paste the one you copied from Bitrue. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to transfer, and always leave a little extra for network fees. Now, review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. Once you're satisfied, hit Confirm. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to an hour for the SHIB to appear in your Bitrue wallet. After the transfer, log into Bitrue and check your wallet to ensure the SHIB has arrived. If it doesn't show up, wait a bit longer or contact support from either platform. A quick tip: always use the correct network. SHIB is typically on Ethereum, so make sure both wallets are set to ERC20. Also, be aware of any gas fees that could eat into your transfer. There you have it, folks. You've successfully sent SHIB from Uphold to Bitrue. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.